Oldu gari. Haki ahu wari. Tamaga sene. Tamaga sene. Omo ni kuru. Kibe kibe. Oldu tamina sene. Tamina sene. Omo yeba. Kibe kibe. Tamai sene no. Tamai sene no. Tamai sene no. Tamai sene. Omo yeba. Kibe kibe.
Good morning, dumelang toilet. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I go by the name of Maloko Miss Loko Deb. This is the Loko Deepers family. You're welcome. If you've been here, you've been a loyal day ones. Thank you for being loyal to this channel. Thank you for being loyal to us. I appreciate you. Continue to watch the vlogs, continue to watch the uploads, and most importantly, do subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, comment, like, share. And I'm opening this vlog. I'm not sure how it's going to go, but today is a Tuesday. I've been up for some time. I was studying earlier on, so now I'm tired. Okay, there might be a breakfast date with Tabi. So Tabi promised me a breakfast date, so but I'm not sure if we'll do it or I'll cook breakfast. He's around. He came yesterday, but I think he's still sleeping. So yeah, let's see how the week goes. I don't really have much planned for this week, so we'll just take one day as it goes, one day at a time. I hope you enjoy this vlog, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment.
I know I got the strength in me, don't think that I am wrong. Keep pushing through the walls I built and keep fighting on. Have a heart to fight. There was a time in my life when everything seemed wrong. All my hopes, all my dreams, everything was gone. Then I turned my life around and I went to the top. Found the strength I got within, and this is how it feels. Everything is.
We're gonna have some good times with good friends, making good memories. A little bit of sunshine and good vibes, yeah, that's all we need. And we have
Do a quick check. I'm late. Lunch meetings, guys, you know, like the hustler. I'm a hustler. So, okay, this one. Let me just put my laptop on the side. Drip check. I'm wearing the t-shirt from Emporio Armani. I'm carrying my Karl Lagerfeld bag. Wearing pants from Legit. Shoes from Fushini. And rocking my Versace shades. So let's go do lunch. Let's go speak. Livelungu.
oh yeah, confession.
I know I got the strength in me, don't think that I am wrong. Keep pushing through the walls I built and keep fighting on. Have a heart to fight. There was a time in my life when everything seemed wrong. All my hopes, all my dreams, everything was gone. Then I turned my life around and I went to the top. Found the strength I got within, and this is how it feels. Everything is just.
Give me your finger, wanna put the ring. African queen, una di foot na your sweeted skin. Yeah, bonga la pin. Give me your finger, wanna put the ring.
No, we can say it's like 10 of this. We can say it's 10 of this.
Oh, wow. Okay. Oh. Dita ka dili ka potong ne?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, confession. Hey boy.
cry. You're my African queen. Many wrong and now you're sweet and skinny. Yeah, bonga la pin. Give me your finger, wanna put the ring.
African queen, unanivuta na your sweet and skin. Yeah, bonge la pin. Give me your finger, wanna put the ring on it. Upoka mdori shori, black column zuri mnyama porini. The way you do me that slowly, sina tema tawalete ngori. Upoka mdori shori, your light skin still shining every day. The way you do me that slowly, sina time baby, and this is my confession. Oh yeah, confession.
I know I got the strength in me, don't think that I am wrong. Keep pushing through the walls I built and keep fighting on. Have a heart to fight. There was a time in my life when everything seemed wrong. All my hopes, all my dreams, everything was gone. Then I turned my life around and I went to the top. Found the strength I got within, and this is how it feels. Everything is
I got so I needed eggs. I got eggs, and I got cake flour. This is to do cream, and I have cucumber, mixed peppers, mixed grapes, ultra milk. Got ultra milk and 2 of this, and cheddar cheese, coriander, the chicken breast, mushrooms, red onions. Why do they have to choose such ugly onions for us? And wines. So pretty much that's it. Only next, I don't know why I got this, but yeah.
taking the hard times and push through the sad times. Finally, it's time to resurrect me. Change is coming, the time is near. Don't lose yourself in all your fear. Take a breath and stand for your right. Don't move in any way. Have the heart to fight. Everything will be okay, 'cause everything will be okay.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's Thursday. Never mind the energy. I'm not feeling okay. I'm not feeling well. So I just got ready. I had breakfast. Miss you, so I didn't have time to can make it with you because I'm not on my hundreds. So I'm gonna go to the doctor now to find out what's wrong. So yeah, let's go to the doctor. Otherwise, coming back, I doubt there'll be anything much to do because I'll definitely need a bit of a rest, and the rest shall follow. Mara motho sale a lwala ba cute so.
And don't believe me if I ever tell you I could forget you. Even if the stars and the moon collide and the sun refused to shine, I still dream of you and I can't let you go.
I know I got the strength in me, don't think that I am wrong. Keep pushing through the walls I built and keep fighting on. Have a heart to fight. There was time in my life when everything seemed wrong. All my hopes, all my dreams, everything was gone. Then I turned my life around and I went to the top. Found the strength I got within, and this is how it feels.
It's so good. My favorite snack of the day. Yes, honey. Litumile made me love this. Good morning, people. Today, Aibo, thinking alagal guy. Anyway, never mind that. Today's a Friday, and I hope you're still watching up to this far. I'm having a very lazy day. I slept very late last night because of the exam that I was doing, which was, it consumed my time, my energy, my everything. I finished around past 11, so I like 2:30. So today I'm just gonna stay in bed. I just warmed up. Did you check it? Mavani, which is pasta, chicken and bacon, creamy chicken and bacon pasta. I'm gonna have this, then watch my other favorite YouTubers, or maybe watch Netflix or watch Showmax. But the intention today, I'm not moving from here. I'm not moving an inch. So yeah, tomorrow at least I'm looking forward to tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna be with Khomo. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. We're gonna vlog. I'm gonna vlog. Let's. Good evening. It's still Friday late. I had to now get out of bed because I'm really hungry. So, but I thought, what is it that I can make that's quicker? So I decided to do Pick and Pay ASAP to order things to make burgers. So they just delivered them now. I'm gonna show you. Then we're gonna make Friday burger night. Maybe I should make Fridays burger nights, even like a weekly thing. What do you think? Yeah, so we're gonna make burgers, and I'm busy watching the YouTube. Nothing hectic. So pretty much this is what I got. I got the beef burger patties, the Pick and Pay burger sauce. I've never used this, but it will be for the first time today. Lenzo cheese and the white seeded burger, whatever's. Yeah, I think this thing cost 170 something. Yeah. So let's make a Friday burger dinner.
I know I got the strength in me, don't think that I am wrong. Keep pushing through the walls I built and keep fighting on. Have a heart my dreams, everything was gone. Then I turned my life around and I went to the top. Found the strength I got within, and this is how it feels. Everything is just okay. Everything is how it should be. Taking the hard times and push through the sad times. Finally it's time to resurrect.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last.
Hello, Pretoria!
So after that, you expect something. I get it into me. Women, I know you guys are not fighters. Eh? You fight till
you and I am
Kilimanjaro, tuko Kilimanjaro, tuko Kilimanjaro, tuko Kilimanjaro.
I know I got the strength in me, don't think that I am wrong. Keep pushing through the walls I built and keep fighting on.
Hello, Monkey. Hello, Mosh Mosh. Hello, Mosh Mosh Monkey. This is the lunch that I made. I'm just gonna cut my degut. But if you don't have money to buy the degut, you better make your own degut at home. So this is what I made. I was craving it. I cannot tell it. Take broke. I'm so damn broke. I cannot lay out like I. So he did the good. Let me just cut it and yeah, let's take it from there. Good evening, my people. Today it's a Thursday. I just dropped my first vlog, and many of you are enjoying it and you loved it. So I figured let me just come here to do an outro because this is a very special vlog. I've dropped a vlog yesterday, so today it was not necessary for me. Tomorrow is not necessary for me to do a vlog, but because it's a very special one because in that vlog there's a we had to attend the last big show Mashata, the one that he had in Pretoria. Yeah, so I figured, Rani George, we are all mourning as South Africans, as Africans. We loved him. He used to make us sing. So like nahana batho ba bolokile Mashata on Saturday, then 2 weeks ba start ba try ho hila nna ke atla ka vlog. So I just want to drop it tomorrow before the funeral so that if funeral if it I don't have any content that's left which I have to drop with him because I feel like it's very special. It's gonna be like a very good reminder of what a legend he has been. So I figured I need to edit. Like editor, make sure editor, can make sure so that tomorrow I'm gonna drop it. So it's a very special in memory of Mashata, his last show. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I hope you enjoyed the dropela the whole concert, how amazing it was, what a show it was. We had so much fun. May his soul rest in peace. May those who loved him and supported him find solace in his passing, in his tragic passing for that matter. Yeah, we are killing each other. It's very sad how our parents are burying us. It's stressful, guys. It's stressful. But it's happening either way around. So I hope you enjoyed the special vlog. Please, 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 please don't forget to subscribe. Click that subscribe button. Become part of the Local Deepers family so that we grow this channel together. I love you so much. The loyal G's, my loyal G's. local deepers, I really thank you for sticking around. I appreciate you guys for sharing my videos on your stories, for liking on Instagram, for sending me messages of encouragement. I appreciate. Yo, I'm gonna tell you guys a story about that vlog that had to be up. I was about to give up. I was about to like, Kima, cut. Andizi. It was stressful. Yo, I ain't as well.